Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. A. Invasive species thrive in ecosystems lacking natural predators, competitors, or parasites that would normally regulate their population size in their native range. B. The large difference between the 0-1 and 1-2 age groups in Figure 1 indicates high juvenile mortality. While many offspring are produced, ecological factors such as predation, competition for limited resources, or susceptibility to disease result in a significant number of individuals dying before they reach the second year. C. To represent the population immediately after the viral outbreak, new bars for the male side of the pyramid should be drawn at approximately half the width of the original dashed lines for each age group, while the bars on the female side should remain the same length as the. Great job working through that! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.